Hi, my name is Britney. The name of my project is Xenophobia. This project focuses on understanding and addressing xenophobia to build a more inclusive society. Xenophobia is a fear or hatred of anything perceived as foreign or strange. In Malaysia, it's a particularly pressing issue, often misunderstood as racism and resulting in unfair treatment or discrimination against those who are perceived differently. Through question cards, AR presentations, and an interactive wall feature, we aim to raise awareness about xenophobia, educate people on its meaning and causes, and ultimately foster empathy and understanding. According to a survey from Pusat Komas, Malaysia has been ranked in the top 2 for the past 8 years, suffering from racial discrimination and xenophobia. By creating immersive experiences that encourage reflection and dialogue, we can challenge prejudices, break down barriers, and promote a more inclusive society where everyone feels valued and respected. We are creating interactive experiences that empower users to confront their biases and embrace diversity.